What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over farm today, harvest, finance, big stuff going on right now in farm, huge stuff. So yeah, we're going to go over that. But remember, please hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, and it helps me bring these videos straight to you on time. So also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. I got sticky notes on top of sticky notes on top of sticky notes full of stuff that I'm going to be going over. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And not only that, I also have other links in the description from my Twitter, Instagram. You can follow me up on there, and also check out my Spotify, Apple Music, lots of stuff going on inside the descriptions. So anyways, let's go over harvest finance. So farm right now at $209.10. Just ignore all these negative red numbers down here because really this doesn't matter. Farm is so big right now. Farm is going huge with the whole DeFi and the staking. So farm is going crazy with the whole yield farming. So we're going to be going over that, and I'm going to really be explaining what that is, and farm actually explains it perfectly well. So I'm going to be going over that with you all, and yeah, let's get straight to it. So as you can see here with farm, let's go over to the last 24 hours. So as you can see, it has been going down. Obviously, everything's been going down. Let's not act like farm is the only thing that's going down. Let's be completely honest. Let's go back over here and go over to CoinGecko. So as you can see over here, everything is going down. We got Bitcoin down 8.1% inside the last 7 days, very stagnant inside the last 24 hours. We got Ethereum down 12.3% in the last 7 days, very stagnant inside the last 24 hours, only 2.8% still. We got Cardano pretty stagnant in the last 7 days, pretty much. And then, same thing with obviously Tether. But yeah, everything's, moving really slow right now because, the whole flash crash that went on. So let's get straight to it. But anyways, look over here. None of this matters. You don't really need to be paying attention to this. But anyways, 10,923 holders, 10,923. And yeah, yesterday we had 10,942. So, farm is a yield farming thing. So we don't even need to be worrying about this or this even. So anyways, let's go over the real stuff that matters with farm. So first things first, I want to do the technical analysis for the people that like to trade and the people that enjoy, buying and selling stuff, right? So for those people, as you can see, farm before this whole flash crash, right? So let me draw this right here. This right here was the flash crash. This was the flash crash area. So when the flash crash for the whole crypto market, it wasn't just farm, everything dropped. When that little flash crash happened, farm was actually projected to quite possibly break out or bounce right back up to its resistance. So as you can see, it was very stagnant. It had some heavy support here, really good support around 247. It did not want to pass that 247 area at all. So it did not want to go below 247 at all. But then the flash crash happened and it was forced pretty much. And it didn't even want to stay down there below $200. Like the second it went all the way down, it bounced right back up to 223. And then, it kind of, fluctuated a little bit. And now we're back at 208, right above 200. So look, farm does not really want to go below this area right here. It seems like we're having major support here around 208. So honestly, I do believe we're probably about to break some resistance and break 220 very soon. So if we actually do that, we're probably going to end up going right back up to where we were previously before this whole flash crash. But remember, everything inside the crypto market would have to rise for this to happen. So if this was going to happen, everything's got to rise. Bitcoin's got to rise. Ethereum's got to rise. Cardano's got to rise. And if the whole crypto market takes a poo-poo right now and goes all the way down, then farm would probably do the same thing. But the good thing about farm, if that happens, farm has the whole yield farming. So then you'll still be safe. You'll still be good with that. But anyways, let's go over some stuff that we have with farm. Let's go over our recap. But before we do that, just know if everything recovers, we can be projected to get right back up to 240, 247, possibly above 250 and on, right? So we have a lot of potential here with farm. We just need the whole crypto market to recover first. So first thing I want to go over with farm, let's do our little recap. But actually, wait, before we do the recap, let me go over, because I have some people that don't know what farm is or yield farming is at all. So, right. So let's go over that. Now, farm explains it perfectly well. So we're just going to go over how they explain it. A lot of newcomers to DeFi keep asking what yield farming actually is. And DeFi, for the people that don't know, is decentralized finance, right? So one, if you are one of them or know someone who needs an ELI5, show them this thread. So over here, you can see two. First, yield farming was hot in 2020 as it offered wild returns on crypto assets that didn't involve regular trading. So yes, it offers huge returns. It's pretty much like staking, all right? So in 2021, NFTs stepped in and stole the headlines, but yield farming is still here, offering insane returns that make banks jealous. So this is also why the SEC is trying to come after crypto. They're trying to say stuff like yield farming and staking is securities, and they're trying to say that these are not they're not investments, they're like securities pretty much. That's what they're saying. And that's why the SEC is coming after crypto huge, because they know that there's some huge potential here. And they know that crypto is becoming the new digital decentralized banks, and they really want part of that. So they're like, nope, these are securities. You guys have to register them as securities. In doing so, you have to pay a bunch of taxes and a bunch of other bull stuff over there. But anyways, let's keep going over it. So 3, in short, yield farming means putting your idle crypto assets like Ethereum or DAI to work, just like staking. So by deploying tokens into a DeFi project, you can be entitled to a percent of transaction fees. So you're entitled to the transaction fees, which are the gas fees on the platform, and then you're entitled to the interest from the lenders. You're entitled to obtaining the platform's governance token that can skyrocket your returns, and the governance token being farm. So yes, you're investing in a farm, and you're gaining money from the gains of farm. Let's say farm gets right back up to $375. You're gaining money from farm going up. You're gaining money from the yield farming that you're doing. You're gaining money from like literally every single avenue. So this is why yield farming is so huge. You're getting money from the transaction fees, from the actual price of farm going up, the governance token, and then you have the interest from the lenders. So you have huge potential here with making money on DeFi. So I'm actually staking Miami coin right now on OK coin. It's a lot different than yield farming with, it's a little bit different from the yield farming with farm. But I'm doing it with OK coin on a Miami coin, and it's projected to do 430% APY. It's projected, so it might not even do that much. But anyways, let's go on to the number 4. The problem. DeFi is full of complex incentive schemes, and it's difficult to catch up with all the opportunities. So first, finding the best place to deploy your assets is time consuming and mistakes are costly. 5, the solution. Well, the solution is Harvest Finance. Harvest looks for angles to maximize yields from these opportunities and aggregates them nicely in one place at Harvest.finance. So from here, anyone with the comfort of one dashboard can become a yield farmer. So you can come over here to Harvest Finance, and you can literally farm your coins. So all you got to do is deposit it in there, and then boom, you're earning just like that. You just connect your wallet, boom, switch it over, find what you want to do, boom, and you got it going. And it's fairly easy once you start doing it. Once you look at it, you're like, what is this? And then once you start doing it, it becomes fairly easy. It's like the same on every single platform. Same with Shiba Swap, same with Farm, same with so many different platforms. But anyways, let's move on to our new stuff that's going on inside Farm. So let's go over our whole recap for week 54 of Farm. Now, dear farmers, Harvest Domain is giving back to the people. In the last days, we've been focused on that matter more than usual. They've been doing some huge giving back. So let's go over that. Shout out to my Gitcoin people. I'm about to make a Gitcoin video out there soon. So anyways, Harvest V2 mobile. Yes, now on mobile. That's huge. So 7th of September, kicking off week 54 with a big user interface update as it introduces mobile version of Harvest main website. So yes, the mobile version is out. So from now on, users who primarily use their mobile devices to navigate through the wild west of DeFi can access Harvest and deploy their funds. This is actually something that was stopping a lot of people from investing into Harvest Finance. So it was also the same thing with me. I like to use my phone whenever I'm doing this type of stuff. I got all my crypto apps on my phone, and now I can have Harvest. So that is huge right there. It's going to help a lot of people out immensely. So that's really big right there. So yes, you can now use your phone for this. So this update allows Harvest to welcome previously unreachable communities, especially the ones across Asia, Latin America, and Africa, where mobile devices make up 70% of market share. So yes, they use mobile devices out there way more than computers. Anyways, hello mobile users is huge and big stuff going on here. Now 75% of Asia, 69% of Latin America, and 70% of Africa is mobile only, and now Harvest is accessing them with that. So big stuff going on there. Now Gitcoin grants. Now Harvest participates in Gitcoin grants around 11, giving back to the people again. So September 8th, Harvest proudly participates in Gitcoin round 11 as a matching partner along Chainlink, ENS, Polygon, YFI, and plenty of other generous projects that give it back to the people. So Harvest donated $50,000 in USDC to the round, with the transaction being visible on the Ethereum blockchain. That's huge right there. So yes, the grants are here for Gitcoin. huge grant round 11 950K match day 1 out of 15 stats. So big stuff going on here. 4,600 plus contributions from 351 people, equaling out to $36,000 and 701. So 465 grants contributed total. And yes, you can turn your crypto right now into vote and fund a grant today. Huge stuff going on with Gitcoin. Shout out to all my Gitcoin people out there. Probably about to make another Gitcoin video very soon. Big stuff going on in Gitcoin. So anyways, let's move on to the next thing, and that is Bancor LM extension. So Bancor to extend LM rewards for farm pool. So more big stuff going on. September 8th. Everything's going on this week, and we have stuff going on every single week. Farm always recaps every single week because every week is a good week when you're dealing with farm. Now, all right. A proposal at Bancor to extend liquidity mining rewards for another 100 days has met the quorum with most of the votes in favor. We are excited to see our operations in tight cooperation and look forward to explore more opportunities to bring prosperity to both communities. So, get to know the details of the latest proposal as well as the background in the official announcement. You can click here if you want to see the official announcement. And yes, boom, right here. So you can click here and go through this when you want to do it. All you got to do is go to medium.com, or you just go to Farm's Twitter, and then you can find the tweet there for the tweet of September 8th. Here, Farm is all the way down there. So big stuff going on here with Farm. Now let's move on to the next thing, and that is the new TBTC vault. So there is a new TBTC vault, which is Tether Bitcoin. So as you can see, 9th of September, our thirsty farmers saw a new fruitful addition to the harvest menu that pertains to TBTC, a wrapped Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain. So this is really big right here. Wrapped Ethereum, or I mean wrapped Bitcoin, not wrapped Ethereum, wrapped Bitcoin. So in this vault, farmers get to enjoy all the harvests, CRV and CVX, topped with farm rewards. Big stuff going on there. Definitely check out Harvest Finance. Go straight to the website and see this. So thing number 5 that has happened last week. So emissions update. Emissions update, big stuff here. This weekly update wouldn't be complete without farm emissions. You can see all the emissions here, as you can see, and still big stuff going on here with farm. Now, Harvest and Media. So Harvest Community Lead Red spoke about how will the DAO change the world in an interview with the DeFi Yield. You can definitely check that interview out over here. If you want, go over to YouTube or just go straight over to DeFiYield.apps actual Twitter page and then go to their YouTube from there on their tweet of September 8th. So big stuff going on there. And anyways, the Gitcoin grants, I already talked about that. But yeah, big stuff is going on here on Farm. And this is all I got for Farm today because this is the whole recap for the day. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Farm has huge potential beyond just buying it and holding it, or like way beyond buying it and holding it. You can literally farm it, just like they say, farm it, yield farm it. So yeah, definitely check that out. Yield farming is one of the top things inside of DeFi right now. So you definitely need to check that out. Staking, yield farming, everything is going big right now. Shiba Swap's going crazy right now. So we definitely need to, come together and invest into stuff like this because this is the stuff that makes you money continually. This is passive income right here. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, though, please hit the like button and subscribe and check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And also check out my other links in the description for, like Twitter, Instagram, Spotify, Apple Music, all that. Check all that stuff out, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.